Welcome to Module 1 of our Mastering Microsoft PowerPoint series. In this module, we will provide you with an in-depth overview of the PowerPoint powerful interface and its core features. Whether you are a beginner or looking to refresh your skill, this tutorial will help you navigate through PowerPoint like a pro. So let's start by launching the PowerPoint. Okay, so once opened, you will be created by the PowerPoint interfaces, which consist of several key elements. Okay, so the first one, at the top we have the title bar. Okay, so this display the name of the current presentations, houses the standard with window contrast for minimizing, maximizing, and also the closing applications over there. And this called the title bar. Then the next one, ribbon. So directly below the title bar, we have the ribbon. The ribbon is divided into tabs such as the home tabs, insert tabs, draw, design, transition, and also the more. So each tab contains a group of related comments for formatting, like here under the home tabs with the clipboard group, and in there we have the lots of comments, or like under the insert tabs we have the several groups. So under the groups we have the several comments over there. Okay, so like each tabs contains like the group of related comments for formatting or designing and animating your slide. Next up, the slide pane. In the center we have the slide pane. This is where you will create and edit your slide. You can switch between slide by clicking on the thumbnail on the left side on the pens. Like if I have the new slide, now you can see you can easily move the another slide over there. So next one, the note pens. So below the slide pen, there is a note pen. You can easily find over there. This is called the note pens. So this area allows you to add a speakers or a speakers note that are visual or only to during presentations, helping you to remember key points of the instructions. Then the next one, lastly, the status bar. So at the bottom, so we have the status bar. So it provides informations about the current slide, such as the slide number here, and also the spelling error we found, and also the languages, and also the zoom levels. You can easily find out over here. So like here, you know the slider shutter comments under the slide, and also the zooms level. You can access the various views options shortcuts from the here. So now that and you are familiar with the basics layouts of the PowerPoint interface, let's export some of its core features. So like here, we will create the slide. To create a new slide, simply click on the new slide, but in here, the home tab, just click over to the new slide over here, or use the Control M for the new slide. Like when I click over, and here we can easily use with the title or including the various slide layout, including the title slide, and also the title and content to content, also the more you can easily find over there. So like use the Control M, now you can see it comes over with the another slide. Okay, and adding content, you can add text, image, or shapes, charts, and other multimedia elements or to your slides. using the options in the inside tabs. By here, just click on the respective icons, or also the follow the promos into the inside the contents, like saves icons or the different, and also the formatting set slides. The home tabs provides tools for formatting your slides sizes. Here are, before that, I can easily click it, like if I use the text over here. And also you can use the font styles with the font group, and also the sizes over here, and also the color. You can easily use the different colors over here, and also the alignment under the paragraphs group, and also applying the styles like the themes and to your presentations. Okay, so, and designing slide, the design tabs like offers a wide range of pre-designed themes and templates to enhance the visual appeal of your presentations. You can also customize the slide background colors over the format background colors, and also the font, also the effect to match your preferences. Okay, so here I can easily apply this one. Then the animated slide. In the animation step, you can apply animations and transitions to your slide to make them more dynamic and engaging. So experiment with the different animations, effect, and timing to create also professional looking presentations. By selecting the elements, you can have now the different options with the settings. Okay, so, and there you have it, an overview of PowerPoint interfaces and its core features. Practice navigating through the interface and experimenting with the different tools. Unleash your creativity and create outstanding presentation. So stay tuned for more, the module 2, where we will dive deeper into creating and editing slides in Microsoft PowerPoint.